Welcome to this class of science. Okay, so this evening we are going to look at this question on the chalkboard as our today's lesson. A material has a mass of 450 grams and a volume of 50 centimeters grams. What is its density? That is the question. So, as you can see there, we are looking at density. Okay, so how do we find density in physics? Then question 2, a body of mass 500 grams was suspended in 100 centimeters cubed of water by a piece of cotton. The water level rises to 150 centimeters cubed. What is the density of the body? Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is density. Density is defined as the unit per volume. Unit per volume. Then the units for density is grams per centimeters cubed or kilometers per meters cubed. That is the units for density. Okay, so now let us quickly go to the question and see how we are going to answer this particular question. A material has a mass of 450 grams and volume of 50 centimeters cubic. What is its density? So what you are going to do here, since we are saying density is the unit per volume, so the formula is going to be density is equals to mass over volume. Okay, so what is our mass according to the first question? Our mass is 450. We just substitute, okay, over what is our volume? Volume is 50. Okay, so there we are going to cancel this. Then we are going to remain with the 9 grams per centimeters cube. Okay, how have I found this 9? I said 50 into 450, the answer is 9. First of all, I cancelled zeros there, then 5 into 45, which is 9. 9 grams per centimeters cube. So this is the density of this material, which are 450 grams as a mass and a volume of 50 centimeters cube. Okay, so we have answered first question. Then we go to the next question. A body of mass 500 grams was suspended in 100 centimeters cubic of water by a piece of cotton. Full stop. The water level rises to 150 centimeters cubic. What is the density of the body? So here, first of all, we need to find the volume of this same density. How are we going to find the volume of the particular body? Okay, not same density, but the body. Okay, so how are we going to find the volume? Then thereafter, that is when we are going to find now the density, since mass we are already given. So how we are going to say, according to the statement that we have here, remember there was this 100, I think I'm going to assume this was a measuring cylinder, okay, which had the volume of water, okay, which was 100 centimeters cube. Now, after getting this body, which had this mass, 500 grams, it was actually lowered in that same measuring cylinder with the volume of 100 centimeters cube. So now, when it was lowered there, the water level raises up, okay, to this measurement, 150 centimeters cube. So now, for us to find the volume of this body, we need to subtract the final volume, which is 150, and minus the initial volume, which is 100. Okay, so how we are going to, what am I trying to say? We are going to say final volume, okay, final volume minus initial volume. Okay, so the final volume after now, the final volume now, it is the volume after the body has been lowered in that measuring cylinder, which had the water level of 100 centimeters cube. So that is our final volume, which is 150 minus our initial volume is 100. Okay, so when we subtract this, let me even put the units, 150 centimeters cube minus 100 centimeters cube. So the answer that we are getting here, which is 50 centimeters cube. This was the volume of the body, okay, with the mass 500 grams. Now that we have found the volume of this body, it is very easy for us to find what? To find the density. So density, as usual, is density is equals to mass over volume. So what is our mass? Mass is 500 grams. So mass is 500, okay, grams. Then over, what is our volume? Our volume is 50 centimeters what? Cube. Okay. So now from there we can say 50 into 500. There will cancel. Then 5 into 50, that would be 10. Okay, grams per centimeters cube. Okay, so this is how we find questions in physics under density. Okay, so volume is very important when you are finding the density. You should have mass and volume. Okay, so thank you so very much for following. Can you continue paying attention and follow my steps? For next, I'm going to give you the exercise based on this lesson that we have actually learned today. Bye.